How to turn up volume on Waze on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Waze application on your phone. Waze is a community-driven navigation app that provides real-time traffic and turn-by-turn directions by using crowdsourced data from its users. It also offers features like finding the cheapest gas prices and connecting with other apps. Once you're here, go to the top left corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Then, go to Settings. Here, go to Voice and Sound. On this page, go to the Sound section. Over here, go to Guidance Volume and drag the slider to the right to increase the volume as shown. You have now set the volume to full volume. Following these steps, you can easily turn up volume on Waze on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.